it was very volatile. In fact, a quiet day of trade. We were confined to a very tight range. Yes, we did manage to clasp above the 6,050 mark, but nonetheless, it was a very dull close for the frontline indices with a negative bias. For the broader markets too, in fact, they were confined to a range of close to 30 to 40 points. It was listless day of trade all throughout. You had the power stocks as well as real estate, which were pretty weak in today's session. Autos held out, as did the entire consumer durables basket. Jayaprakash Associates was your big loser for the day. Power Grid also slumped. Bharti Airtel was weak and DLF2 in red. Some stocks in focus then, and Maruti Suzuki will be recalling close to 1,400 vehicles of 4 models made between the 19th to the 26th of October. So that's going to be Ertiga, Swift, Desire as well as the A-Star models on account of defective steering columns. Apart from that, Nestle, we understand from Cogences that Nestle SA will be mulling the possibility of hiking stake in Nestle India, and that will be via a share buyback. Remember, the company wants to hike the stake from an earlier 62.8% to 75% in the company. ITC from the defensive basket will be raising the prices of its cigarette packs, according to the news wires, by 4 to 5 rupees on packs of rupees 10 on packs of 10 cigarettes, and raising the Flake XL cigarette packs price by close to 4 rupees a piece. Apart from that, United Spirits was in focus. Remember, you had Morgan Stanley, which sold 39.2 lakh shares at a price of 2,406 per share on BSE, and the Diageo unit Relay BV bought 19.7 lakh shares at 2,400 rupees per share just yesterday. Thermax was in focus, receiving orders worth 269 crore rupees from the Petchem company. Apart from that, you had BF Utilities, which put out its numbers today. Fairly disappointing, you'd have to say, with the profits slumped to just 5.7 crores. That's down almost 58% on a year, 50%, pardon me, on a year-on-year basis. Net sales too just came in lower by 40%. Voltas in focus as it bagged 1,000 crore overseas order, and you had the stock which has been up 11% in the last 4 days with significant OI build-up on the future side also seen. Jet Airways, as the CCI sources said, that the application for the order rectification has been turned down. The counter was down by just about 4%. On the upside, Tata Motors gained traction, BPCL was in focus, and select cement counters like Grasim as well as Ultratech Cement in the limelight on the upside.